Bullish Star Atlas. Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.00781 and $0.014753 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0.006075 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001389. Star Atlas presentation NFTs. The freshest obsession with the web are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFT situated in-game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Atlas? Atlas, a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network, is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their special resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas game's universe is immense, and players should go out on solitary, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outmaneuver different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make huge urban communities and private ventures or unite as one and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to manage over specific regions. Players secure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Crucial investigation is a far-reaching strategy that requires a careful comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, understanding macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation techniques, and having the option to decipher monetary reports are important for performing major breaks down. Likewise, it by and large purposes openly accessible information, like an organization's past income and net revenues, to estimate future development. Star Atlas is right now worth $0.001736 United States dollars. Atlas has moved 4.93% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $2,207,294. Star Atlas is as of now positioned 636 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $17,015,241 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas. To conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Star Atlas value expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.002603. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.00243 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon, given expected joint efforts and progressions. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0.002083. Star Atlas value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0.004339. Be that as it may, We ought to hold back to check whether the Atlas's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.003471 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.003818. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.006075 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.005554 and a low of $0.005207 in 2025. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Star Atlas effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.00781, with a base cost of $0.006943 and a typical cost of $0.00729. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.009025 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.008678 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $0.009546. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.010761. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.011282, neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $0.010414. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.01215 and a yearly cost close above $0.013017 in 2029. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.